3 best essential oils for weight loss and how to use them. Can essential oils really help with weight loss? The answer is, maybe. You aren't going to suddenly drop 20-30 pounds just by incorporating essential oils into your routine. But it could help you shed those extra few pounds, along with providing some support in helping your body lose weight, when used in conjunction with a healthy eating plan. How can you use essential oils for weight loss? Essential oils are not a miracle cure, but they do have health benefits, and can directly and indirectly impact your weight loss efforts. Essential oils may help curb food cravings, energize your workout, and reduce stretch marks. Essential oils can also improve sleep quality, reduce anxiety, relieve tension, and improve digestion, all of which can have a positive effect on your weight loss goals. Box with essential oils for weight loss. A word of warning when it comes to essential oils. Before we dive into how to use essential oils for weight loss, we need to cover a few important points. Essential oils are all natural, but that doesn't automatically mean they're safe to use without any caution. Firstly, make sure you are using high-quality, 100% pure essential oil. It will say so on the label. Don't be swayed any claims on the label. You want it to say 100% pure. Never use essential oils undiluted. Never. Ever. And this applies to using it topically, on your skin, or by ingesting it with your drink. As there has been very limited studies on the use of essential oils, and the evidence is largely anecdotal, be extremely cautious about using it. Ideally don't use them at all, when pregnant, on small babies and children, and around pets. And lastly, remember to label all of your essential oil mixtures so you know what each one is, and what it is made up of. Best essential oils for weight loss. Peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential oil has a twofold effect. Firstly, it can help aid digestion, if ingested, and when used in an inhaler, it can help prevent or reduce food cravings, and reduce your appetite. Cinnamon essential oil. Cinnamon oil helps balance out blood sugar. It does this by slowing the rate at which glucose is released into the blood. If your blood sugar is unstable, it can lead to overeating, low energy, and overall weight gain. Add cinnamon essential oil to your smoothie or even your tea to help stabilize your blood sugar. Lavender essential oil. Lavender is well known to contribute to a good night's sleep. It is also widely known to help with nervousness, anxiety, and stress, all of which can negatively affect your sleep quality. By now we all know that poor sleep can contribute to weight gain. Not only does being tired mean you are more likely to reach for the unhealthy junk food, lack of sleep also messes up your metabolism, which in turn makes it harder to lose weight. Setting yourself up for a good night's sleep can go a long way in helping your weight loss efforts. How to use essential oils for weight loss. Once you've chosen the particular oils you want to use, you can then decide how you want to use them. You can choose one, or a combination of ways, to use your essential oils to aid your weight loss efforts. Add essential oils to drinks. You can add a drop of your chosen essential oil to your drink. Many people just suggest adding it to water. However, as we know, oil and water don't mix. If you add essential oil to your water, it will end up just floating on the top, and when you drink it, the essential oil will come into direct contact with your mucous membrane. This can cause irritation, and over time may even lead to an allergy. A way to overcome this is to first mix the essential oil with what is known as a dispersant. A pinch of sea salt or Himalayan salt works well as a dispersant. Mixing it with your essential oil drops, then add water. You can also mix the essential oils first with mashed fruit, such as berries or grapefruit, or raw honey. If you want to mix your essential oils to a smoothie or protein shake, you can add it right to the drink and shake it up. It will mix in well. And remember to always have your drink in a glass container. Essential oils can break down plastics, and the chemicals can leach into your drink. Apply essential oils topically. You can mix up your essential oil with a carrier oil, such as almond or coconut, and rub in on your skin. This is a great idea for right after a bath or shower, or to do first thing in the morning. Test your mixture on a small patch of skin first, in case your skin has a reaction to the essential oil. And keep the mixture in a small glass jar, away from sunlight, so the oils don't get broken down. Add essential oils to a diffuser. Adding essential oils to a diffuser is a great way to fill your room, or even your home, with the delicious scents of essential oils. There are two kinds of diffusers, heat and vapor diffusers. Vapor diffusers tend to be more expensive than the heat diffusers, but ultimately are worth it as the heat diffusers may break down the compounds of the essential oils. Create a personal inhaler. You'll need a personal inhaler cartridge for this one. You can find them from a natural health supply store. They are very affordable. Get a small glass bowl, your inhaler cartridge, a cotton wick, and your choice of essential oil. Pour about 15 drops of the essential oil into the bowl. Place one cotton wick in the bowl, until all the essential oil is soaked up. Using tweezers, pick up the wick and place it inside the cartridge, then put the cap on. I strongly recommend using tweezers, otherwise your fingers will end up smelling very strongly of the essential oil. The top of the inhaler has a small opening. When you are experiencing food cravings, simply inhale, breathe in the aroma of the essential oil. You will find your craving almost always disappears. I love the personal inhaler because it is small and discreet. You can take it with you anywhere. Spritz essential oils to your pillow and linens. As we mentioned above, lavender helps with sleeplessness, nervousness, and stress. So this will be ideal to add to your pillow or linens, and if you're having a bath or shower before bed, you could even add it to your towels and robe. You'll need a spray bottle. Blue glass is ideal as the dark color prevents the UV rays from breaking down the essential oils. You'll also need pure lavender essential oil, a diluter liquid such as vodka or witch hazel, and distilled water. The vodka or witch hazels helps the essential oil mix in with the water. In a jar, combine 2 tablespoons witch hazel or vodka with 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Place the lid on tightly and shake well for 15 to 20 seconds to combine the two. Open the lid to the jar and add in 6 tablespoons of distilled water. Replace the lid and shake again for 15 to 20 seconds to combine. Place a funnel in the opening of the spray bottle. Pour the mixture from the jar into the spray bottle, and replace the spray bottle lid. Remember to add a label to the spray bottle.